everyone, this is Coach Nadia and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going down the stairs right now and I have to go to the laundry room because I'm washing clothes. But as you can see, I really live in a nice place, you know. A little expensive in Orange County to live, but we're making it. My family's making it, and now I am in the laundry room. Okay, so today I'm actually taking a break because I'm uploading a video right now to you all to watch. But this is one of the quick videos, and I had to wash a few of my rugs, and I actually got a washer for just the rugs, a washer for all my husband's clothes, and a washer for all my clothes and my uniform. So I'm actually just going to use that dryer for the rugs. I'm going to put the phone down so you all can see me. Alright, so I wanted to make another family video. Just welcome to my channel, Mindset for Success with Mindset Coach Nadia and Make Money Online. I am affiliate marketer too, internet marketer, business owner. I own my own craft business too as well. So I do it all. Make money online, make money offline. And I do in between family chores that I have to keep up with the house. I'm glad you guys liking my video. I want to make a different video all the time. I've been watching, you know, some of the top YouTubers. They make their videos funny, you know. And anyway, my videos are kind of different. As you can see, everybody is unique. Everybody have their own personality. So there is no one around. It's just me, myself, enjoying my day. I'm always, when I wake up in the morning, what I do, I am grateful. I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful that I have breath. I can breathe in and out. I'm grateful for my health. And I'm grateful that I can do things and help other people and serve other people. I'm thankful every day. Give praise to the Most High God, for He is the greatest. Right? Okay. So I'm going to use that dryer. And one more dryer. I have to move the phone. Okay, so I'm going to use this dryer for my clothes. So as you guys can see, I use 3 washers and 3 dryers. And I remember the younger days when my children were young. I mean, I had 6 little ones. And my first husband left me. Okay, I had 6 children. My oldest child at that time was Chris, and he was 9 years old. And my youngest child, he was only 2 months old, which is Benjamin. All right, now here is a clip of my family now. They're grown up. I've got 2 grandsons right now. I got 2 more grandkids on the way next month. 1 granddaughter and another grandson. So I'm going to have 3 grandsons and 1 granddaughter. And I'm so excited for my granddaughter. And I hope that she picks up my crochet. See this right here? I made this. I need to make more of those and then I'll try to sell them online for you all. Let me get busy putting the clothes in this dryer. This is the way And you don't want to just throw a bunch of clothes in the dryer. You want to, you know, shake your clothes out of the washer and put it in one by one. You know, that's what you want to do. And these are my clothes. So I have more clothes. Actually, my work clothes, and I'm off till next Wednesday. Today, everybody, is June 12th. Crazy as me. Okay, now I got the 3 dryers, and I got to turn on my dryers now. But thank you for watching my YouTube channel. It's really different, but in a few more, probably another hour, you're gonna see another latest video I'm uploading right now. But this one's gonna be uploaded right now. Okay? Yeah! I just wanted to chill and make a video for you all. Maybe I'm gonna upload the other one first, and then I'll do this one, because I think I want to add more features, edit this video. Remember, I'm a YouTube influencer. Yes, I make money online. Yes, I make money offline. Yes, I'm a creator, YouTube creator. I'm a business lady, offline, online, and I make money online. And I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been a marketer, probably internet marketer, for like at least since 2008. And I've always made YouTube channels, but I never had one monetized like this one. Okay, this is actually my first monetization channel. And then my crochet channel should be monetized maybe next month. I'm not sure when it will be. It's, you know, I'm in the process of doing that, but I do have to make a video for that channel. It's a different kind of channel because I have to teach, and I'm thinking of probably going to do a baby blanket, an easy baby blanket pattern video. So you want to head on to Crochet with Coach Lottie, and later on you can check out that channel and learn how to crochet a baby blanket if you want to learn how to crochet. And I do have crochet stitches, lesson videos in that channel. So I'm uploading videos. I think I have like 30 videos so far, but this channel has more because I started way in advance. That channel I started probably like a couple months ago, so it's growing and it's pretty good so far because I have like 30 videos. I'm halfway almost monetized. I've been really expanding and promoting organic traffic to that channel. So you can check it out if you want to. Just click on the Mindset Coach Lottie, and just in the bottom I have a link to that channel. And I want your support to help me subscribe to that channel, because I'm trying to get my 1,000 subscribers, and that really takes a while, but it's growing, and I'm trying to expose myself more in every social media I can. Reddit is good, and Drum It Up is good. So I'm going to be posting some videos on there, sharing that, do more posting on Reddit, and medium.com too. You can actually share your affiliate links there if you have a business, you have digital marketing business, anything to do with ClickBank or Digistore24. If you get those kind of links, you can actually go to medium.com, create a blog there, start promoting your affiliate links, but talk about a great content. Put content and a great picture and your affiliate link. It's allowed there at medium.com. All right, check it out. Okay, talk to y'all soon. All right, I got to turn on my washing machine, and I do need my phone to do that. My dryer started. I got to dry clothes today. All right, check back with you later, and watch my watch your notification, I mean, because I'm uploading videos today. This is one of them, and then another one too. Bye. Talk to you later. Coach Lottie, and